Hey, welcome back. In our previous video, we learned how you can apply the business model canvas to strengthen a specific business model. In this video, we will deep dive on how you can create new business models looking at your existing business models. We will look at two examples, one of them being Nike and the other Amazon. Let's start with Nike. When I was a kid, Nike was primarily known in the running and basketball section. And in both areas, they had created a business model around the key component being partners. And their partners were world-class athletes. In the case of basketball, that was Michael Jordan. So when Nike decided to move into soccer or football, how we call it in Europe, they also looked out for a specific partner, world-class athletes in that specific field. They identified the Brazilian national team and created a bunch of videos around the topic Joga Bonito, the beautiful game. As with basketball and running, they managed to become a premium brand in this specific domain. And to this date, Nike is one of the key players in that area. Now let's look at our second example, Amazon. If you look at the traditional Amazon online retail business model, you quickly realize that they had one key resource being their server infrastructure. That server infrastructure was the foundation of having performant websites all over the globe. At some point, Amazon realized that they could build a whole business model around that key resource, the server infrastructure. That was the birth of Amazon Web Services. Compared to Nike, it was not about just exchanging one key partner, being Michael Jordan with the Brazilian soccer team, but they had to rethink, reimagine the business model as a whole. Because they were targeting a complete new group of customers. They were going to provide a whole new value proposition. Everything around that business model was different than the previous one. Still, Amazon managed to succeed with this because they were eager to invent, they were willing to experiment. And that was the foundation of their success with Amazon Web Services. In our next set of videos, we're going to look at how you can deal with the assumptions that become transparent using the business model canvas. I'll see you there.